Welcome everyone. We're living in a historic moment. AI tools are now accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Just a few years ago, this kind of technology was only for big tech companies. Now, you can use it from your laptop, often for free. This shift means you can earn money faster than ever before. AI acts like a team of super-fast assistants, letting you deliver high-quality work in hours, not days. Businesses everywhere need content, marketing, and updates to stay competitive, but they don't have the time or teams to do it. By using AI, you can offer these services quickly and at a great price, while still making a solid profit. The market is still new. Most people have heard of AI, but few are using it to make money. That gives you a huge first-mover advantage. You can build a reputation and client base before the space gets crowded. The tools are powerful, the demand is exploding, and the barrier to entry is low. This is your window of opportunity. Don't wait for things to get saturated. The potential for reward is huge if you act now. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a fundamental shift in how work gets done. Let's get started. Here's a simple plan to earn $500 in 3 days. Step 1. Pick a high-demand, low-complexity service, like blog writing, social media content, or simple logo design. Specialize in one area to start. Day 1. Find clients. Use Upwork or Fiverr. Create a professional profile, and use AI to help write your service description and personalized proposals. Apply to as many relevant jobs as possible. Day 2. Execute. Use AI to research, outline, and draft your projects. You act as the editor, polish the work and make sure it meets client needs. This lets you deliver more, faster. Day 3. Deliver and get paid. Submit your work, ensure clients are happy, and aim for quick approval. Most clients on these platforms pay fast once they're satisfied. Focus on delivering quality and speed. Try to secure a follow-up project if possible. By following this focused plan, $500 in 72 hours is absolutely achievable. Don't overcomplicate it, just take action. The key is speed, specialization, and using AI to multiply your output. Stay organized and keep your communication professional. Let's move to the tools you'll need. Think of AI tools as your first digital employees. Start with a strong AI writer. ChatGPT 4o or Claude 3 are great for content, ideas, and proposals. For visuals, use Canva for graphics and Midjourney for unique images. You don't need design skills, just creativity and clear instructions. Use Upwork or Fiverr to find clients and manage payments securely. Fill out your profile completely and communicate professionally. Stay organized with Trello or Google Keep to track projects and deadlines. These 4 tools, a writer, a designer, a marketplace, and an organizer, are your business in a box. Most offer free trials or affordable plans. With these, you're ready to start earning immediately. Now let's talk about working smarter. Earning $500 fast is about using your tools intelligently. Offer service packages, like 3 blog posts for $275, to boost your average order value. Build a template library for outlines, graphics, and proposals to save time. Niche down. Become an AI writer for a specific industry, like dental clinics or coffee shops. Specialists stand out and can charge more. Use AI to quickly research and tailor your services to your chosen niche. Under-promise and over-deliver. Deliver early, add a bonus, and polish your work. This leads to great reviews and repeat clients. Respond to job postings quickly using your templates. These hacks help you reach your $500 goal faster and build a strong reputation. Here's how it looks in real life. Meet Alex, a college student with no freelance experience. Alex offers blog writing, signs up for Upwork and ChatGPT 4o, and creates a niche profile. AI-powered SEO blog writer for tech startups. Alex targets clients needing multiple articles, sends out 10 personalized proposals, and lands a $500 project. Using ChatGPT, Alex drafts outlines and articles, then edits for quality and brand voice. In 3 hours, the drafts are done. The rest of the day is for editing. By day 3, Alex delivers all 5 articles a day early. The client is impressed, requests a minor revision, and approves the project. The $500 minus fees is released to Alex's account. In 72 hours, Alex goes from $0 to $500 by leveraging AI and a focused plan. This is possible for anyone willing to take action. Let's make sure you get paid safely. Getting paid is simple if you use the right platforms. Upwork and Fiverr use escrow. Clients deposit payment before you start, so your money is secure. Once the client approves your work, funds are released to your account. Withdraw via bank, PayPal or Payoneer. Remember, platforms charge a fee. Factor this into your pricing. Set up your withdrawal method and verify your identity as soon as you join. This way, you avoid delays and get your money fast. Seeing that payment hit your account is the best part. Be ready for it. Hitting $500 in 3 days is just the beginning. Use this success as proof you can deliver real value. Ask your client for a review and propose ongoing work, like a monthly content package. Update your profile and portfolio with your results. Use specific results-driven language to attract more clients. Gradually raise your prices as you build your reputation. Keep learning new AI tools and expanding your services. The world of AI is evolving. Stay ahead to keep earning. Turn your quick win into a steady income stream. Your journey is just getting started.